So this is my August month order. So this is my first set. I'll just show what is inside. So my first order consists of the bag. So you all know there was a bag launch this month. So I just got this and it is really cute. So you can see this. So it is really cute bag and you can just see inside. No, it's really nice. It's really nice. It's if you're going for some vacation or just small shopping, definitely this will help us to carry whatever we need, right? So you can see there is a sling attached, and also this one you can tie the knot so that the bag is closed. So I really love this. So whenever we go for a vacation or just a small shopping to our market, definitely this will be a cool product. So here's the next thing, the next set. I'll just show this. So this is the Love Nature face wash that I got the strawberry flavor. So this is a new launch for the month. So I just want to try, and once I try, I will just tell you the review on this face wash. This is a body wash which I have taken for myself. I tried another flavor last month and it was too good, and we started loving it. So I wanted to try this also. So I'll also try this and I will tell you the review. The body wash, definitely a shower gel. Definitely a must have, and we loved this and it was too good. This was a new launch last time. So I will also tell the review about this once I use it. So this is a perfume I ordered for myself. I am a perfume lover. So normally my husband and myself, normally we prefer perfumes a lot. So this is a new launch. So I wanted to try this. So definitely once trying, I will let you know on this as well. So I got one Breeze shell earring for myself. I'll just show how it looks. So you can see how cool it looks, right? It's really nice. I didn't think it would have so much of good finish, but it's really nice. And it has a really good finish, and it goes very well with any dress you wear. So definitely a must buy one, and I'm loving it. Definitely I'm loving this, and it looks really cool. So it's like just a pop up, like you have to insert into the ear holes, and that's it. And this wallet I took as the activity offer. So when you do your 75 BP, you can pick any one of it, right? So I wanted to pick this pouch. So I'll show you what is inside, which one I have selected. So this is the pouch I've selected. So I've been looking for this pouch for quite long time. Okay, this is really a good one. Okay, so I've been looking for it for a long time, and it was in the activity offer. I thought I have to take it. So you can see how big it is. So if you are going to put in any of your say, like you're traveling, you want to put your makeup items, toiletry items, anything, it is really cool bag, and the material that is there is really nice. So along with the strawberry face wash, I've also taken the pomegranate. So I will also try this and I will tell you how the face wash is all about. I will put a 2 minutes video for this definitely, and I will share my review on how the face wash is. This perfume, again, I've got this for my husband. Okay, so like I said, we are perfume lovers, so we love perfumes a lot. So this one again I've taken in activity offer. So I've taken this in a 40% discount. So this one, this perfume and the other perfume which I told you, right? This one also, these two I've taken in an activity that is the business class offer. Like when you do your 200 points last month, you will be able to take 3 products in a 40% discount. So that offer I've taken both this perfumes and the bag which I showed you. Okay, so it was definitely a lesser price for me than the original price, because I have a 40% discount by doing 200 points last month. So this is a new launch that is done this month, okay, the body butter. So I just wanted to try this. I normally use a Swedish spa scrub and shower gel. So I just wanted to try this body butter. So I just bought this for this month and I wanted to try this. So this is the facial kit that is introduced this month. So it's in offer. Okay, so I've got one for me. So I thought let me use this month this facial and try it. So I am planning to use it and I'll definitely give a review on this as well. Okay, so this is one of the set which I got this month. And this is the eye pencil. So this one, there is an offer for people who have done who have joined for last 2 months and who have done their 100 bp. So we have a gold offer that is available. So in that I was able to pick 1,000 rupees worth products for just it was a free. You can pick any product worth 1,000 rupees for free. So I took this high pencil and also this one. So these were free for me. I did not pay anything for this product. Okay, so because I completed my gold offer for the month, so I was able to pick this. Okay, so people who have completed their 100 points for last 2 months, you can also take this offer, avail this offer. You can pick any product worth 1,000 rupees. You have so many products available there. You can pick any products which is worth 1,000 rupees for free. Okay, that's it. This is my purchase for the month of August. This is my first slot, so my second slot is also coming in. So yes, that's it. Thank you guys. Have a great month. Thank you.